Ispalit, Otto Istine Aspasat, Esped Marcos Ispalit.
Those buckets, they're drinking my blood and Elena's.
Oh my God.
Otto Istine Aspasat, Esped Marcos Ispalit. 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 Otto Istine Aspasat.
This is it. Here, take my hands.
Otto Istine Aspasat, Esped Marcos Ispalit. Otto Istine Aspasat, Esped Marcos Ispalit. Otto Istine Aspasat, Esped Marcos Ispalit. Otto Istine Aspasat, Esped Marcos Ispalit.
Hey, Gramps. I heard the Travelers did a number on you last night.
Did you read that in the Other Side newsletter? Gramps, you don't look right.
Something's wrong over here, Bonnie. Some of the witches think that the Travelers tried to overwhelm you so that someone could get through.
As in come back?
Whoever it is, he's hiding from us. And now this place is...
That wasn't creepy. What's going on over here?
I don't know. But whatever the Travelers did, and whoever managed to get through, it's got the witches scared.
You asked if there was anything you could do about the other side.
Did you think of something?
Say goodbye to your friends, Bonnie. The other side's just like any other spell. You know how that works. Just like any other recipe or math equation. You remove one component and the whole thing implodes on itself. When those Travelers let Marcos escape, boom.
But there's always another spell, a loophole, a sacrifice. Something.
Jeremy loves you, Bonnie. He deserves to know you're leaving.